Welcome everyone. The question is a trolley of mass 360 kg is lying on a horizontal frictionless surface. So let us consider it is an horizontal frictionless surface and let us consider this is a trolley. The mass of the trolley is 360 kg. A man of mass 40 kg runs with a uniform speed on the trolley by a distance 2 meter in 0.6 second. So let us consider this is the person. So this person is moving towards this direction and the velocity of the person, let us denote it by Vp. The velocity of the person is 2 meter divided by 0.5 second. So the answer will be 4 meter per second. So the person is moving in that direction with a velocity 4 meter per second. Since the man and the trolley is a system, so as the man moves from right to left, to keep its center of mass at its position intact, since no external force is acted on it, the trolley will move in that particular direction. Let us consider this is the velocity of the trolley. Therefore, the velocity of the trolley can be find it out by using the relation that is small m divided by small m plus capital M into Vp, where small m is the mass of the person and that is 40 kg. So if I just place it there, it is 40, the mass of the trolley is 360, the velocity of the person is 4 meter per second. So if I use it here, then it will be 40 divided by 400 into 4 meter per second. So this thing becomes 0.4 meter per second. So this is the velocity of the trolley relative to earth to keep its center of mass of the system that comprises this man who is running on the trolley and the trolley itself, that is 0.4 meter per second. And one thing I have to add here, as the man is moving from right to left, the trolley will be moving from left to right to keep the center of mass at its position. So depending on their masses, since the person is at a 40 kg, so his velocity is 4 meter per second, but the trolley have the velocity 0.4 meter per second. I am adding similar type of numericals in the comment section along with the options. If you want to answer this, so just answer it as a comment, and if you got find similar type of numericals anywhere, you can keep post it as a comment. If it is slightly out of the box or that I have not discussed here, then obviously I will make a video on this. Thank you.